Do you want to quickly check your TikTok messages without opening the app? In this video, we'll show you how to enable direct message previews so you never miss an important message. First, open the TikTok app on your device and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three stacked lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy to explore customization options. In the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Scroll to the Messages category and find Direct Messages Previews. Finally, turn on the toggle switch next to Direct Messages Previews. This will let you see message previews on your lock screen or notification shade. Now you can stay on top of your messages without even opening the TikTok app. It's quick, convenient, and helps you stay connected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.